Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. And today's topic is replica set. What is replica set? So, pod. Up till now, we have created pod with a kubectl command or a YAML file. But suppose this pod is gone or this pod is killed. So, what happened? Nothing is left. Or if want to scale this pod or want to create three pods, copy, then we have to create three pods. Suppose this pod is destroyed or killed or crash. So what happened? We have to manually create the pod. So there is a concept is a replica set. So imagine you are running a web app. You don't just want one pod because if it is crashes or node dies, your app will go down. So you say Kubernetes, I want three copies of the pod always. So ReplicaSet make sure that three pod will run all time. It is not make sure, it guarantees that three pods will run at a time if any errors not occurs. So ReplicaSet is a controller part of control plane logic. It watches the pod with the specific labels. So means if anybody want to create a pod, something is required, or something means manage a pod, so something is required, something identified. So how does replica set ensure means which pod is running? Means if this is a replica set, so it can manage pod via logic, via labels. So particular pod, if I will create another pod, so label is important. If label is my pod, or let's say Neokloud, Neo. Label is Neo, here label is Neo, here label is Neo. Then these three pod will be managed by the replica side. But suppose I manually want to create one pod whose label is Neo. Then as per the replica set, you have a three pods because I had defined that replica set replica equal to 3. So one of the pod it may not create, or it will kill one of the pod. So just it's like a policeman ensuring that the count stay exact. So I'll create a replica set. I'll search replica. So here the replica set. So much things are here. I won't want this thing. So I will create a simple replica set via. I will here not take any namespace rs.yaml. I'll copy code. So I'll paste and let's go one by one. So version is app version v1. So I already told you how to get that app version: kubectl API resource and grep rs. So many things. So replica set. So here you will get app v1. Control C, Control L, and that kind is replica set. Metadata is this is metadata. My name, and replica is read. So we want three pods. Now match labels. So this match label should be matched with the labels of the list. Means here spec part, then a template part. So this spec part match label should be matched with the labels of the template. Otherwise, it will not consider as a pod of replicas. So just run it. I'll press escape WQ. Sorry, my system is crashed, so I'm working on a temporary PC. So diagrammatically and very clearly, I'm might not explain, but soon I'll buy a new one and then we'll do the same. So k apply -f rs.yaml. So replica set is created. K get rs. So desired 3 and current 3. So k get pods. 3 pods are running, and now hyphen show labels. So labels is a my app. So let's say I will delete this app. This I will just control L Emacs %. I'll make it little so that differentiate. Control B left arrow. So I will write k get pods. So 3 pods are running. Now I will delete this pod and look what happened. I'll say k get pods happen W. So 3 pods are running. So I'll delete one pod, k delete pods, and my apps RSSP. I'm deleting this pod. So look, this terminating, pending, container creating, terminating, completed. So Control P, Control C, K get pods. So still 3 pods are running and it is showing 19 seconds, 26 seconds, and here 2. So one pod is deleted, but it is created. Now what I will do, I'll just get pod -w, and now I will increase means I will set replicas to 5. So what I have to write, k is scale, alias is set, so what I am using k. Otherwise you have to use kubectl. K scale rs my app rs hyphen replicas equal to 5. You won't need space in between. So you will see 2 more pods are created. K get pods, so 5 pods are created. So you can increase or decrease replicas. So what happened if I will create another pod with the same labels? Here the labels, so here labels are app equal to my app. Now I'll pod, so I'll copy this, I'll create one pod, I'll paste it here, name anything but labels app my app, k apply hyphen pod. I'll watch now. In another window I'll apply, so pod is created, and here you will pod is term. So but in real cluster we rarely create replica set directly. Instead we use deployment. We'll learn deployment which manages replica set and also handles the rolling app, but still important to know replica set because deployment replica set under the. So you can delete replica. So k delete rs get rs, k delete rs, so this k get pod, so no pod, but I'll create k apply hyphen rs.yam, k get pod, so 3 pods are running. Now I want to delete replica set, but I want pods should not be deleted. I want to keep pods. So I'll write cascade equal to or fun. So k get pod. So replica set is deleted. Now these pods are in. So basically we created replica set, we deleted, and that replica create the pod. If the labels are same, then it will manage that pod. We have deleted replica set and taken the means not deleted the pod. So thank you so much for your love and support. For the time being video will be short because of but in coming weeks we'll have some interesting thing with some animation, and so stay tuned, and thank you so much for your love.